stop. If you think you need thousands of euros to start investing, you've already been lied to. Because the biggest mistake beginners make is not starting small, it's waiting too long. And that delay, that's what actually costs you wealth. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start investing with just 50 euros, step by step, without risking everything. Let's be honest, right now you're probably thinking, 50 euros is too small, it won't make a difference, what if I lose it? So what happens? You scroll, you watch videos, you overthink, and months go by with zero progress. Meanwhile, people who started small are already building momentum, not because they had more money, but because they had a system. Here's the truth most people never tell you. Investing is not about how much you start with. It's about how early you build the system. Because 50 euros invested the right way is not about the money. It's about building the habit, reducing fear, learning the system, automating your future. This is how small capital becomes real wealth over time. Let's break this down into a simple system you can follow today. Step 1. Choose the right platform. Critical foundation. You need a beginner-friendly investing app. Look for low or zero fees, fractional investing, so 50 euros is enough, and access to ETFs. Examples include platforms like Trade Republic, Scalable Capital, or similar. Why this matters? If your platform is complicated, you'll quit before you even start. Step 2. Don't pick stocks. Start with one ETF. This is where most beginners go wrong. They try to pick winners. That's not investing, that's guessing. Instead, start with a broad market ETF. For example, an ETF that tracks the global market or the S&P 500. What this does? Instantly diversifies your money, reduces risk, removes decision stress. One ETF equals hundreds of companies. Step 3. Invest the 50 euros immediately. Action over perfection. Here's the rule. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it doesn't exist. Markets go up, markets go down. But beginners lose money not because of timing. They lose because they never start. So your job is simple. Invest the 50 euros today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Step 4. Set up automation. This is the game changer. This is where you separate amateurs from real investors. Set up an automatic monthly investment, even if it's 50 euros, 100 euros, or whatever you can afford. This creates consistency, discipline, and emotional control. And most importantly, it removes decision fatigue. Step 5. Ignore noise. Protect your system. This is the hardest step. You will see crypto hype, stock gurus, fast money promises. Ignore all of it. Because your system is built for long-term, low-risk growth, not short-term excitement. Let's make this real. Imagine two people. Person A waits until they have 1,000 euros, takes 1 year to start. Person B starts today with 50 euros and invests 50 euros every month. After 1 year, B has 650 euros invested, a system in place, and confidence and experience. A, still waiting. Mistakes to avoid. Avoid these beginner traps at all costs. Mistake number 1, waiting for more money. This kills momentum. Start small, grow later. Mistake number 2, trying to get rich fast. This leads to risky trades, emotional decisions, and losses. Slow is how you win. Mistake number 3, overcomplicating everything. Too many apps, too many strategies. Keep it simple. One ETF, one system. Mistake number 4, stopping after 1 month. Consistency is everything. Wealth is built through repetition, not intensity. Action step. Here's exactly what to do after this video. Download a beginner-friendly investing app, choose one broad ETF, invest your first 50 euros, set up automatic monthly investing, leave it alone, and stay consistent. That's it. No complexity, no confusion, just a system. If you've been waiting for the right time to start investing, this is it. Because now you have something most beginners don't have, a clear system. And if you want more simple, step-by-step investing strategies like this, subscribe to Online Investment Compass. Because here we don't chase hype, we build wealth with clarity, structure, and discipline.